Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Stan and today I'm going to make a very unique Maharashtrian dal which is known as Godi Dal. It's green in color because it has green masala along with Tur Dal. It's a very simple and easy recipe. This recipe is by my mother-in-law. So let's get started. So step 1, I have taken 1/3 cup of Tur Dal which I have washed nicely and I have soaked it in a water for at least an hour. So I'll transfer this in a pressure cooker. And along with this, I'll be adding in 2 medium-sized tomato with half teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1.5 cup of water. And now we will pressure cook this until the dal is cooked, so it will take around 3 to 4 whistles. Okay, now step 2 would be making the masala. Now for the masala I'll be taking around half cup of grated coconut, 1 small bunch of coriander leaves, cleansed and washed nicely, 3 garlic cloves. Now these are big size. If you have the smaller ones, you can use around 6 to 7. Now this recipe will not require any ginger. Okay. Yeah, I'm adding in 2 green chilies. Now these are light green chilies. Now you can add in green chilies as per your taste. 2 teaspoon of jeera. Okay, now I'll grind this into a smooth paste. So one thing I forgot to add in this, that's half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Okay, so the masala is ready, if you can see. Now we will add this masala to the dal. Before adding the masala, I'll just mix this properly. And then add the masala. After adding the masala, just give it a mix again. Okay, and now step 3. I will give a tadka. So in a pot I've heated around 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil, in which I'll be adding in 1 garlic smashed and curry leaves. Okay, once it starts to crackle, I'll add in 1 spoon of this mixture. And I'll just close it so that the flavor remains inside. So once it settles down, I'll add in the entire mixture. Okay, I've added water. I'll just mix everything and add this into the dal. Okay, so all this while I did not add any salt, so now I'll be adding salt. So here I'm adding salt as per taste. Now I've put the flame on high. Okay, we'll let this come to a boil and then we'll turn the flame low. Okay, so now as you can see, it's come to a boil. I'll just turn the flame low. And I will let this boil for another 10 to 15 minutes on low flame. Okay, so now it's been 15 minutes. The dal is perfectly cooked. Now I'll put the flame off. Okay, let it rest for a while and then we will serve this. So you see, it was that simple to make this Maharashtrian Godi Dal. So let me know in the comments below how you like this recipe. If you like this recipe and like this video, hit a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe. Share this video with your friends and family. And I will see you next time in the next video with a new recipe. Until then, my name is Stan. Bye-bye.